What's up, everybody? So today I recently found out that my tail light is out, and the only reason I do that because this side goes a lot faster than this side, which is the normal rate. And being a car guy, I should have known that, but I didn't. Girlfriend actually told me. She suggested that my light was up. So I went to Walmart. I did some research and I went to Walmart and I bought some 3157 Sylvania bulbs. So yeah, bought these. Hopefully they work. This wasn't a pre-made video, so I don't have video of this actually working. So you're coming along with me on this ride. So hopefully I got enough tools and enough equipment just to tear this thing apart, because I don't have any. So it's all hands. So hopefully I can pry some things open and close it back with my bare hands. So wish me luck. So basically I heard you take this side pan off. Sorry about all the leaves, it's fall, and I park under a tree. So hopefully this slides right. Oh, that slides off pretty easy. Okay, that's one step is done. Okay, that was pretty fast. Then I heard about these plugs in the back. You just simply screw them off. Another one inside. And I think you'll plug it. Show you. So you have these zips there. One more. Not exactly sure. There's one more up here. Okay, and that's the light. So let me just slide the light out. Let's see. It's actually this light, so you twist this out in the direction I'll twist it out. I did not want to break this. Pop out. Oh, yep, pops out. Takes a little bit of pressure. And basically, oh, cool. Actually, Sylvia already. And these are the wrong bulbs. These are 3057. These are 3057Ks. Well, so these are the wrong ones. Crap. Well, let's take a trip to Walmart then. Let's put this all back together. Alright guys, I got the wrong ones. Please do not get whatever I said earlier. Get the 3057s. That's the exact one that came out of here. And being that, you know, I'm changing one, I might as well change both. Crazy how much I'm starting to sound like my dad a little bit, but yeah. So let's change one first, see if they actually work if I change both of them up. I think they'll work. So let's get you out of here. And put you in here. So that snaps in. Snaps in. Let's see if it works. So yeah, it works. So 5 minute process, guys. 5 minutes. Doesn't take long to do. So tradition. Yeah guys, they're the same speed. Don't mind the tire pressure. I need some air. It just recently got cold, so. But thank you guys for watching with me. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with me today and watching me change this taillight. Hopefully it helps a lot of you guys out. It's a very easy, anyone can do it. Has a level -1 as a repair for your car. So go out, it's $5 fix, $5, 5 minutes. Taillight repair. So until next time guys, like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a great day.